Hello! I'm going to set up a very simple scene so you can understand how to structure it in the best way. Simply drag the files from Media into the scene. Each of these images is represented in the timeline as a layer. You can select each object by clicking on the image or on the layer. By clicking on the layer icon, you can hide the object from the scene. I can change the size, position, and rotation of each object. It is also possible to sort the elements on the screen by dragging the layers over each other in the timeline or using the right-click menu. This allows me to work on overlapping objects on the screen. For example, the sun, which should appear behind the plane. Now my scene is ready to be animated.